How's it going, everybody? You're watching the Mobile Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a very annoying little thing right here on your iPhone. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove this annoying little red dot right here on the phone app of your iPhone. This is a very common issue, especially after updating to iOS 16. Many iPhone users are reporting this little red dot, and today I'm going to show you how to remove it, and it's easier than you think. All you have to do is open up the phone app itself, and as you have probably already tried, it doesn't matter if you tap on favorites, recent contacts, or keypad, nothing will do the trick because it's actually a voicemail thing. So it pretty much means that you have new voicemail. So then all you have to do is listen to it, or them if it's more than one. So go ahead and tap on call voicemail, and then it's your normal call, and then you're gonna listen to the options, listen to your voicemails, and do everything as you would. I'm not gonna show this part just because of privacy reasons, because I have voicemail. So as you can see, it's gonna be a normal call, listen to your voicemail, and then after you're done, and let me do the thing. Okay, I've just listened to it. It was just a 2-second voicemail, so then I can already hang up. And then, as you can see, as I exit, it's done. I'm done. I have removed the red dot, as simple as that. There's one important thing though, that if you're using two SIMs on your iPhone, maybe one normal SIM and the other is an eSIM, it's important to check on both. So go to your settings, then tap on cellular, and make sure to listen to your voicemail on both your numbers, on both your SIMs. Okay, so go ahead and on default voice line, pick one. Then go ahead and listen to your voicemail as I showed you, then come back, switch to your other SIM or to your other eSIM, and then go ahead and repeat the process and listen to your voicemail once again. So it's important that you listen on both your SIMs, on both your numbers, to make sure to remove the red dot. I've just done this on mine, okay? So that's it. That's how you remove the annoying blank red dot on your phone app, on your iPhone, the easiest and simplest way. All right? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one as usual. Bye-bye.